of the nails using the metal gray. Something stuck right there. Some fur, I can see that. There you go. And then on the other half, we are going to use the black, with jet black. Apply one coat straight down. Okay. And I'm go ahead and using the number 1 to floral brush. And I'm getting just a dot of the no wipe top coat right there to just soften the bristle, and also always have a piece of paper here. So what I am going to do, I'm gonna do just place my, I'm sorry, it's right here, my bristle parallels like a flat on, and then you're gonna just give it one strokes down and then repeat it again. Really light touch. And then make sure you wipe up. This process, if you're doing it for your nails or the client's nails, it's gonna be really fast. It doesn't take that much time just because I'm holding it and I have to put the nails down. Do it again, and it really fade a touch in the middle to blend it out. And wipe it off. And now we're gonna do, you see that all the bristle is get cleaned off from all of the gel polish, and I'm gonna go ahead and move from the left to the right and blend it out. Wipe it off again so clean the bristle and go back. And then if you are going to feel is good, happy with this, we're going to cure first, and then we're gonna go back in another layer. Okay, glass cure 30 seconds and repeat it again. Now we have a number 9, the metal gray, and number 24, jet black. It's really cool, and I'm gonna show you doing is really simple, is the New Year nails for that one. So do another coat. Is that you can move it to one more. Then next is the jet black. And repeat the same procedure that I did earlier. And then keep the bristles really nice and parallel with the nails, like a flat with the nails. Clean. You see that how I clean it to really to just remove all the excess gel from the bristle, so then you can get fresh start, and then when your ombre is not going to contaminate. And working on your own nails, I think I have one of the video clip before. It's really easy to do it on your own nails, and actually is easier than doing it on the swatch. All right. One more time. I think I really like it like that. Really fair to touch. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and key 60 seconds. Keep blending it if you are going to want the more gray in the middle. Okay, and now we'll go ahead and key. You okay? Hey babe, you okay? Okay, here for 60 seconds. Moving on the next nails, when we're waiting for that one to be dry,